Today we'll be looking at my entire stock portfolio valued at around $5,400. I'm actually up within the past month a grand and 1.5 grand. So today we'll be looking at how I invested, how I'm up 37%, and how you can do the same as well. And please make sure to like and subscribe. All right, so what you can see right now is my total value for my portfolio. It's worth around $5,400.15. Today was actually a good day. It's not usually this good, but with the recent markets and just this past month of January, it's been pretty good. Today I made $130.45 for a 2.48% increase in my portfolio. And with a year-to-date change, basically just started from January to today, I'm up $1,461.55 for about a 37% increase in money. Now, about 500 of that is actually money I deposit into the account. Charles Schwab is kind of weird. They won't show you the actual month, like the difference in the graph it has. But when I show you guys my actual portfolio, you'll see that I'm actually down quite a bit, but it's not as much as I used to be down before we've kind of entered this small little bull market that we've had in the past couple of months. So if we look at my portfolio right now, we can see, like I said, I'm up about $130.45. And you can see all my equities and ETFs that I have and how they trade for the day. So let's just start out with my first share. It's Airbnb. I have 6 shares for that for an average price of $113.99. The total value of $683.94. And you can see today individually I'm up $2.88 and up around $17.28. Now I know in my last portfolio update, I was kind of dogging on Airbnb, and I still think that it's not as good a stock as I once evaluated it at, because I know people get hit with random cleaning fees for no reason on Airbnb. But I do feel like it's still a great stock to invest in because I don't feel like it's going to go anywhere. If anything, it'll compete more with the hotel industry and it really, keep growing in this residential home renting area. Next up, I have Alphabet. I have Google. They're a Class A share, worth around an average price of $100.43 for about 6 shares. Today, it's up about $1.61, $1.61%, and up around $9.54 in total. Google, they're not going anywhere. A great company to invest in. Fortunately, they don't pay a dividend for how much money they make. They did overhire and they've been laying off a bunch of people. So I do think they're getting back on track towards where they want to be. Same thing with the Google Class C share. I only have 5 shares of those, but they're basically the same. They're going to be trading at almost the exact same price. You can see the Class C share is worth about $1 more. Usually the Class C share would be worth a little bit more just because it has more voting power compared to Class A share. Next up, I have Amazon. I have 4 shares of this, average price of $105.15, total value of $420.60. Yeah, Amazon, they're the number one e-commerce in the world. They're not going anywhere either. These are just staple blue chip stocks that you wouldn't invest in for the long term because they're not going anywhere. Similar to Apple, I have only a share of that. $145.43 are up. $1.14 today, 0.79%. They pay a decent dividend, but they're not going anywhere either. They're going to keep making the most popular products, the iPhones. Still got Macs, iPads, everything, and they're not going anywhere either. The next stock I have is DraftKings, the number one sports betting book. I think sports betting is just going to take off. It's still in like the small phases of it, but I feel like DraftKings may be a little sneaker stock that I'm trying to invest in. I have 2 stocks worth around $16.48 for a total value of $30.96, and this stock was up 10% today, which is pretty good. up for both my shares total. That's up almost $3. So it's a great stock. Ford, they pay a pretty good dividend. They're going to be competing in the EV space as well. They're the one of the only two companies in America to sustain and stay and not go bankrupt. Average price for me is $13.79 with total value of $137.90. Up 2% today, up $2.80 in total. It's a cheap stock to invest in, and it pays a pretty decent dividend. The next stock I have is Snapchat. It's Class A share, and it's currently trading at $10.37. I lost a decent amount today. I know 10% is a pretty big amount, but this sucker was trading at close to $85 just maybe a year and a half ago, and it's just taken a toll. I thought this would be a nice stock to invest in. I thought it would rebound a little, but once Be Real came out, it was just downhill from there. So the next stock, one of my best stocks, looking good, Tesla. Mr. Musk outdid his earnings report, cut all the prices, 15% on all his Tesla model cars. The government's giving you $7,500 if you buy an EV. So Tesla's gonna keep rocking. They're gonna keep making money. Today I made $73.71. Tesla's my largest holding. I have 9 shares, worth around $1,630.69. Today it's up 4.73%. So it's a great stock to invest in. I feel like it's just gonna keep going up no matter what. The next stock I have is Uber Technologies. They're worth, I have about 14 shares of it. I'm pretty high on Uber too. I don't think they're going anywhere. This ride share, unless they do some, I feel like Uber will also do kind of like a no man person riding. There's no one's going to be steering the car. They're going to have just nobody in the car can just pick up. They're going to be progressing for sure. They still have their Uber Eats. They're a company that's going to be staying there forever. 14 shares for a total value of $440.86. It's up about almost 2%, 1.81% today, for a total value of $7.84. So my total equities I have worth around $4,635.22, and today my equities are up $127.60. Now let's look at my ETFs that I have. I have SCHD, which is the best dividend equity ETF that you can have. Currently trading at $77.47. Only one share of this, up 36 cents today, 0.47%. And this stock is just flat out amazing. It pays a great dividend. Let's see if I can find it. Right here. It pays a 3.39% dividend, and that translates to about maybe $3 every quarter. Ooh. It's a great stock. It's a great ETF to invest in. It usually out returns the S&P 500 too, so you're looking at close to about 15% return every single year. The next stock I have is VTI. This is just a safe investment. It's a total stock market index fund, so it'll basically follow the entire stock market. And if the stock market's up, this will go up. If the stock market's down, this will go down. But obviously, in the long term, stock market always goes up. So this will always be up in the long term, which is what my mindset is right now. So I currently only have one share of it, trading around $206.92, and today I'm up at $2.49, which is 1.22%. So my ETFs currently valued at $284.39 for a total gain of $2.85 and 1.01% gain. Now, if you look at the cash I currently have $480.54 available in cash. I usually like to keep around $500 just in case anything dips that I really like, or I still want to lower my average price for all my stocks. I'd like to keep a good amount in there, especially because I'm loading up with some Tesla, so it's a good investment to have. If you look at my total gain loss, I'm down, like I said, a significant amount, down $226.82, 4.41%. This was close to $1,500. I was down $1,500 almost. I was down on literally everything. Tesla was down near $800. I was down almost. So I'm not even back to my average price that I bought on, which is nearly $200 for Tesla. But if you look at my income that I'll be getting, So far, I've already received 20 cents in interest payments, but for the remainder of the year, I'll receive close to $15. I know it's not a lot, $15, but still, that's like a meal at like Taco Bell like twice or something. So, hey, small wins. That's all we gotta do. That being said, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and please leave a tip. Please, thank you.